Hello guys, how are you? Hope so you all are fine and enjoying your life and enjoying your summer as well. Summer is coming. So these are some beautiful crochet patterns just made for your summer. These tops and these skirts are very beautiful and very colorful. This is just for you. Thanks for watching my videos, liking my videos and sharing my videos. You like my channel and subscribe my channel. I'm very thankful for you. Okay, let's start video today. It's a very interesting topic. This is about the crochet tops and the skirts. Are you stuck for your outfits? Do you wear the same outfit after week? Refresh your wardrobe with a brand new look by crocheting a skirt. It is easy to make and it will make you stand out from the crowd. If you are looking for an easy crochet garment, skirts is a suitable project to crochet. In this video, I will show you different patterns. The basic shape you will need to crochet skirt is rectangle. You can easily crochet a rectangle in the short rows across the short side. It should be wide enough to wrap around your waist and hips, as well as long enough to reach your knees, ankles, and whichever length you prefer. You can easily fix the skirt at the top by adding a ribbon or a simple tie to pull the skirt in the waist. The second option of crocheting a skirt is starting at the waist and work in joint rounds. This way you can start with a smaller circumference which will fit your waist. As you work more round, you can evenly increase the amount of stitches in each round. This way the circumference will be bigger by the time you reach your hips. Once you crochet over hips, you can stop increasing as you reach the widest part. Alternatively, you can continue increasing every round, which will produce a A-line or a flared out skirt. Okay, let's talk about a flory skirts. Crochet skirts will a nice flow and drap can be easily achieved by following a few simple steps. Firstly, you will need to choose a light and airy yarn. I would recommend a yarn as thin as possible for a lightweight crochet fabric. Sports weight or a 4-ply weight would be an ideal choice. This yarn would produce light fabric and would wrap it work up fairly quickly. Secondly, for a flowy skirt, you will need a stitch that produces light fabric. The best stitches are lacy stitches with open work. The finished fabric will have a lot of movement and will not be stiff. Here is some information about the skirt, the flory skirts, and the different type of skirts made by crocheting. Hope so you like my video. Thanks for watching my video. Take care.